Welcome back to Belly Heat. Let's pick out 3 cards from this deck, the dance deck, and come up with a mini dance routine. We're going to go over the moves, a little freshening up, and then we're going to come up with a combo, a mini combo. So the first move is hip lift and drop. We've already done this, but it doesn't hurt to practice. Next move is hip slide. We haven't done it yet. And then we have chest lift and drop. So 3 moves. First move is hip lift and drop. So you stand diagonally, knees relaxed, not locked, relaxed, tailbone tucked, chest lifted, shoulders relaxed and neck elongated. Your whole weight is on the back leg and the front leg is loose. So hands can be here, 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 wherever you want. And we go hip lift and drop, lift and drop, lift and drop, lift and drop. Other side. Hip lift and drop, lift and drop, lift and drop, lift and drop. Let's do 8 4s and 2s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2. 1, 2. So, however you want to do it, if you want to accent it on the lift, you can do that. Or if you want to accent it on the drop, you can do that. But if you want it to be equal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was the lift, and now the drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. With the book on my head, let's try a lift and drop. 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 Other side. Lift and drop. Lift and drop. Lift and drop. Lift and drop. Perfect. Next move is hip slide. So feet hip width apart and slide, center, slide, center, slide. So only your hip slides out. Everything else is centered. Center, slide, center, slide, center. It's like taking a piece of rubber band and then pulling in the middle, which is the hip. So slide, center, slide, center, slide, center, slide, center. Let's do it without the center. Slide, 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 slide. Again, slide, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 3, 2, 1, and 2, 1. Perfect. Okay. So hip, slide, slide, center, slide, center, slide, center, slide, center. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4. Am I recording? Yes, I am. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. 1, 2. Perfect. Back to center. Chest lift and drop. So here we make sure our pelvis is tucked, chest proud, shoulders relaxed, and neck elongated. Hands can be here, here, or here. I'll put my hands here so you can feel the isolation. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop. Try it here. Lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 3, 2, 1, and 2. Perfect. Let's try it with the book. Okay. Chest lift and drop. Lift and drop. Chest lift and drop. Lift and drop. Lift and drop. Lift and drop. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. 1 and 2. Perfect.